Masayang naging pagbabalik ni Coach Roger Goreyev sa UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. Panalo kasi ang kanyang bagong team na National University Lady Bulldogs. Nasungkit ng Lady Bulldogs ang kanilang unang panalo sa ilalim ng bago nilang coach matapos talunin ng ang University of Santo Tomas Tigresses. Nanalong NU in 5 sets, 25-23, 25-22, 20-25, 22-25 at 15-19. Maganda rin sana naging simula ng Lady Bulldogs pero hindi bumitaw ang UST at naipuwersa pa ang 5th and deciding set. Nanguna para sa NU si Jaja Santiago na bumuhos ng game-high 28 points kabilang ang 22 attack points. Nalasap naman ng UST ang kanilang ikalimang sunod na talo ngayong season. Down the wire din ang second game kanina kung saan nagtapat naman ang University of the Philippines at ang Adamson University. Umabot rin kasi ng 4 sets ang laro kung saan nanalo ang University of the Philippines Lady Maroons kontra sa Adamson 22-25, 25-21, 29-27 at 34-32. Nanguna para sa UP si Nicole Tiamzon na gumawa ng 22 points at nag-step up lalo ang nang ma-injured si Cathy Bersola sa third set. Malaking panalo ito para sa UP. Nakagagaling rin lang sa isang heartbreaking 5-set loss kontra sa defending champions na Ateneo. At kasama natin ngayong gabi ang bagong coach ng NU Lady Bulldogs, si Coach Roger Goreyev. Coach Roger, welcome to The Score. Happy New Year sa inyo and welcome back sa UAP po. Very few probably expected po yung inyong surprise return. Pero as much as you can share the story, paano po kayong napasok po sa NU?
It all started last December.
Okay.
Mr. Junel Baculi and the team manager talked to me and asked kung pwede ko silang tulungan.
Okay.
Sabi ko, sige.
And this is when their record was 2-3.
2-3.
So it was not what they expected for this year?
Yes.
To start with that way. Okay.
Sabi niya, kung pwedeng tulungan, kasi they have some observations doon sa galaw ng mga player, baka sakaling makatulong ako, makadagdag lang naman.
Alright.
Then finally, ito lang Monday, I was asked to go to NU.
Okay.
Okay na raw kung pwede na akong mag-umpisa. So
Alright.
it was last Monday lang.
So
talaga.
such a short span of time.
Yes.
You mean 2 days ago?
2 days, 2 days.
Okay, and in a span of 2 days, here you are, put into a big game against UST, 5-setter. Anong pakiramdam? How were the last 2 days of practice and may nagawa ba kayong significant sa tingin nyo na nakakatulong today?
Mahirap kasi, no, yung sitwasyon ko ngayon. It's very close talaga. I always take it as a big challenge.
Okay.
I'm just trying to observe yung mga players on the first 2 days namin, kahapon and the other day, and try to correct some things. Pero hindi ko kasi maipasok agad yung sistema ko. Otherwise, magkakagulo. So slowly, little by little. Kanina, nung 5th set na laro namin, I have to tell them, ito na talaga yung dapat ninyong gawin. Ito nang gawin nyo, ito nang gawin ninyo.
Alright.
So, okay naman.
Nakapag-respond naman sila on the fly.
Nakapag-respond naman. Noon yung 5th set, medyo naging komportable kami kasi medyo malaki kaagad yung lamang namin.
Okay, alright. Well, you know, coming into NU, first yung record po nila 2-3, pero anong nakita niyo po sa lineup nito, sa programa ng NU na sa tingin niyo may potential at makakatulong talaga kayo? Kasi
yung team nila, nandyan na yung team eh. It's a very different story when I started with Ateneo naman before.
Right, that was down
2008. Talagang walang player, no?
Yes,
so slowly, little by little, nag-recruit hanggang sa nabuo na. But this time kasi, meron na silang existing player eh. Ang sabi ko nga sa bata, you all have the potentials. You don't know lang na yung potential nyo, meron pa kayong idadagdag dyan. Kasi akala nila, tingin ko okay na sa kanila yung ganong nilalaro nila.
Okay.
So parang kulang pa, meron pa kayong ipupush. Yun yung kailangan kong ilabas sa kanila.
Okay. Is it a matter of them, I mean, the few days you've spent with them now and watching them throughout the tournament, is it a matter of them not believing enough na they can hang with the big girls in the tournament, the Ateneo, the Lasal, mga ganon?
Well, ano lang kailangan lang parang i-push ko sila. Okay. Medyo alam mo naman kasi yung mga bata, hindi nila nare-realize kaagad yung full potential nila. Okay. Hanggat hindi mo talaga sinasabi sa kanila, ini-encourage mo sila. Kasi ang observation ko lang naman sa kanila, they have the tallest player in the UAAP. Baka sakaling, that's why the other girls parang ang tingin ko, parang napupunta yung focus nila doon sa isang kay Jaja Santiago.
Okay.
Pwede niyong tulungan si Jaja eh. Hindi lang si Jaja ang pupunta, sabi ko. Tutulungan yung lahat.
Okay, so I mean, sorry to reference to basketball, pero meron ba doon parang Michael Jordan effect nung dati na parang yung teammates si Jordan, pinapanood na lang si Jordan, ikaw na lang palagi? I mean, would you compare na kahit paano may pagkaganon?
Hindi naman siguro kasi mga bata ito eh.
Okay.
Jaja is very young.
Also, yeah.
Tsaka sa volleyball kasi, nagro-rotate yan eh.
Of course.
So you cannot stay in front lang lagi ang pumalo ng pumalo, di ba?
Yes,
You have to go at the back and then mag-serve ka, rumisib ka, dumipensa ka. So kailangan talaga magtulong-tulong eh. Games cannot be won by only one person.
Right,
It's a six members yan. Eh.
So from what you see, skill-wise, athletic ability-wise, they're up there with the best.
No, nandoon sila.
Okay.
Hindi lang nila nakikita yung potential nila. May mga kulang kasi idadagdag ko lang. Dadagdagan ko na lang siguro.
Well, how tough do you see the competition now po? I mean, do you see this year, nag-improve ng UP? Look at what they've done this year and what they almost won 2 5-setters as well.
Yes.
Ateneo, unbeaten, and Lasal. How do you see the league right now?
It's very, very different. Eh. Very, very competitive na talaga siya.
Okay.
Sobra-sobra na. That's why all the players should always be on top of their games lagi. Hindi na pwedeng magpabanjing-banjing. Di katulad nung araw, itong team na to, ito na, panalo na to. Pag-uusapan na lang natin yung iba. Ngayon, pantay-pantay na halos lahat eh. Pero maganda para sa liga. No?
What will it take po to take the team over the edge? What will it take from any of these teams that are contending? Not to give away your secrets, but ano sa tingin yung X factor?
Normally dyan, it's good teamwork talaga.
Okay.
Good setter. Ito na mga kailangan dito eh.
Yeah.
You have all the spikers, but if there's no good setter.
Right.
So now, yung mga setter talaga plays a very, very important role na. Hindi na sila yung basta-basta yung nagdidigpas ng araw, nag-over ng bola. So they've got to have full control of everybody, of everything.
And with the games now so well-attended, so highly emotional,
Yes.
how different din po yung leadership sa tingin nyo on the floor na kapag tense na tense yung mga players, nag-rally yung kalaban, how does that play a role now?
I always tell my players one, do not listen to the crowd.
Okay. As much as you can. Mahirap
Do
gawin,
not.
ha?
Oo.
Easier said than done, yeah.
There was a time na pagka naglalaro, siyempre, pag umiscore yung kalaban, magtatambol yung ano nila.
Kalaban, oo.
Ang sinasabi ko sa mga player noon, huwag niyong isipin yan na cheer yan para sa kalaban niyo. Kasi cheer niyo yan kasi pinag-aano kayo. Laro pa kayo. Ganun, no? And then yung players, just confine within themselves. Kung ano man yung pag-uusapan. Because the moment the game starts, sa kanila, hawak na nila yung laro. Wala na sa coaches yan. We only have 2 timeouts to call and try to tell them what to do.
So it's really more on your preparation.
Yan, tara, mag-prepare ng maigi, tapos yung mga players should have good communication.
Okay.
Otherwise, magulo talaga.
Okay. Well, while I have your time, bihira tong makapanayam kayo na mahaba-haba, I can't not help but ask you, ano naging pakiramdam niyo po last year? Noong nakita niyo po mag-champion, ang team na malaking bahagi ng pagbuo sa kanila ay nanggaling sa panahon ninyo, yung Ateneo, na that's the program you helped build together with Mr. Chu.
Siyempre, ano yan, EJ, honestly, masayang-masaya ako.
Okay.
Kung pwede nga lang pumunta ako doon para tumulong ulit. Kasi natutuwa ako kasi yung foundation na iniwan ko doon, nandoon pa rin naitaas nila. Tapos pumasok si Tay nga, who is also a friend of mine because we know each other a long time ago.
Okay.
So natutuwa ako kasi nag-mature na sila.
Yeah.
Kasi when we started, talagang wala mga neni-neni, mga batang-bata pa itong mga ito. So masaya ako para sa kanila.
Right. Well, and what will it take now for you to put in the time and the foundations here with your new team?
Again, it's different with Ateneo when I started because I started there, talagang summer pa lang. Zero tapos summer. So, yung mga batang dumating, kung ano yung gusto kong sistema, nasabi ko sa kanila.
Correct.
So, nagawa nila yan. Now, it's a little bit different. Not a little, a big difference talaga. Very, very. Kasi, meron na silang alam. Trying to correct all their mistakes. Ito ang napakahirap kasi mid-season na ito. My goal right now is to bring them to the top 4.
Okay.
Muna. Kasi I haven't seen any games sa UAAP except now. Hindi talaga ako nanonood kasi I'm concentrating on yung sa other school ko, sa San
Right,
Sebastian.
San Sebastian,
And doon sa club team ko, doon nabuhos
team.
yung oras ko eh.
Right,
So this is the first time I even saw
other schools.
NU play in a game talaga,
Live, okay.
live game. Yung nakaraan, practice lang eh. So may mga i-correct. At yung mga bata naman, open naman sila for corrections.
Okay.
I try to make some adjustments na lang siguro. And slowly, little by little, sana. And meron yatang malaking gap before the second
Right,
round.
correct. Swerte ninyo.
Swerte
Blessing ni Pope yun sa inyo.
Yeah,
May
maraming
panahon kayo
salamat po.
mag-ensayo.
So I can make adjustments there.
Right,
I can insist na kung ito ang dapat ninyong gawin. We'll see if I can wave the magic wand.
Alright.
Sana nga.
Well, it's been done before. We won't be surprised if we can do it again,
Sana
Coach.
na.
Welcome back to the UAP. Good to see you back.
Maraming salamat. At parang tagal na, pero last year lang ako.
I know, it's only a year and a half ago,
Oh,
but
yeah.
we'll see you much more again. Maraming salamat, Coach Roger.
Thank you,
Thanks.
TJ. Thank you
And
sa lahat.
congratulations. Salamat po.
Salamat.
All right.